What's up everyone? So today I am going to be doing a video on lashes. I'm going to be using these Velour Luxe Faux Mink lashes. They are 100% cruelty free, 20 uses on average per pair. Unique curl technology keeps lashes curled when wet. Innovative cotton thread band for easy application, even for beginners. And they give you like a little presentation of how you should do them. Measure them, trim them, put the glue and apply. Pretty easy. If you guys watch my other lash video, I kind of go through all the stuff in there, but I will go through it again. I already trimmed one of them. I will show you how I trimmed the other one. I already know the size of my eyes, so I don't measure, but for you, you should measure, start not all the way in the corner, about right here, and cut off from the end always. Don't cut off from the center. I guess if you're doing a look where you cut it in half and just want the wing, you could cut the center, but I would suggest in that case actually to cut a little off the front and a little off the back. It'll depend for sure on the type of lash, but I would say figure out where you want your longest portion of the lash, like the end is a little longer on lashes or often. Yeah, figure out what you'd like and then cut however you please, but I would say always cut from the back unless you are starting in the center. Then I would then say go ahead, do it, you know? So here we go. I'm gonna just get started. We'll do the first one and I'll actually trim this sucker up so you guys can see it. I take them off of here by pulling from the back where I'm gonna cut anyway. Then that way I don't ruin the front by accidentally pulling it weird or something, if it's because it's kind of tacky and stuck to the box. So I would say pull from the end that you're gonna cut. And if you can't, if you have a hard time, use some tweezers to help you remove it. Okay, so I use old shears that I used to use on mannequins. They're like cheap but hairstyle shears, so they're still a little better than like kitchen shears or something. So definitely use something that's a little precise. If you have small little scissors, use those. Don't use your kitchen shears or like giant cardboard shears, because then you could cut it bad and you don't want to do that. You don't want to ruin these. These are like 30 bucks, man. Not cheap, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and cut off to the part that I want. I'm using the Velour lash glue in black, and it's like my favorite eyelash glue, but I like other ones too. Honestly, it doesn't have to be this brand, and they're great. I do like the ones that are black because I wear a bold black liner, and thank you Amy Winehouse for allowing this look, because today I went overboard and I was like, I guess we're going Amy Winehouse today, and it's happening. Okay, so I'll apply the glue. Like I said before in my videos, I'm not shy. I do apply a generous amount. I've showed you guys before my blow dry trick. So I use a blow dryer and I gently blow dry them. So be careful, make sure you aren't using a super hot setting, and make sure you're also using a low speed so that you don't mess up your lashes, because they can get warped. So you don't want to accidentally ruin the lashes you have. All right, so after applying the glue, I turn down my speed to low, and then I put my heat at like medium, and this is how I do it. There is like method to the madness. I do go moving it around and kind of twirling the dryer so that it isn't constant heat in one spot. You just want to make them tacky, and you want the band to get a little warmed up so it's a little bit more pliable. It'll move to the shape of your eye more if it's warmed up, whereas if you just use it the way it is, it's kind of stiff sometimes. So this is a nice trick for lashes that have like super thick bands. It'll help make them a lot more pliable. And then I just apply it. Kind of lay it down. And I wipe in between so that the glue doesn't get sticky with like a paper towel or something. And you make sure that's down. And then I pinch. So as you can see, these are gorgeous. They are like super beautiful and just phenomenal. I really suggest these lashes. I think they're great. I just would say, you know, take care of them. Let's do the second one. All right, and then dry them. And you can see the difference, like it makes a huge difference having lashes with any makeup look. It just adds everything. All right, let's do the next one, guys. So I kind of place it there. And if these are sticky, it's gonna ruin everything. So make sure you clean them off. And then I go in and pinch. And there's that. All done. So yeah, I love these lashes. I think they're gorgeous. They have a nice packaging, so you can take them off. This style is called Flawless. And yeah, flawless they are. They're gorgeous. I suggest them. They are definitely ones you should slowly remove. Use the little box to put them in after you take them off, and then reuse them that way, I would suggest. And yeah, I love them. I think they're awesome. And then I do this trick where I like push them like up like this to make sure that they're laying right. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll do more different kinds of lashes so you guys can check them out. Oh, everybody always asks me what lashes I use, and so yeah.